Hi, I'm Brett Warren from Metropole. How can you pick when a property market will turn? That's the million-dollar question I'm asked almost on a daily basis at the moment. My honest answer is that nobody knows what happens next. I mean, just look at those property experts during that COVID period and what they were predicting. House prices were supposed to fall 30% plus in some cases, but as history shows, property prices went the other way. There's no doubt that our property markets have turned in recent months, with bigger capital cities losing some momentum and other markets flattening out. It represents a great opportunity for the pessimists to emerge from their cocoons, predicting the sky will fall in once again. Almost every media headline puts a negative spin on the current environment of rising interest rates and inflation and what it's going to do to property prices. Despite the fundamentals remaining strong, most buyers and sellers have slipped into wait and see mode. If we're watching a horse race, which I often do, fear would have just overtaken greed. But the finish line is a long way off. So here are my thoughts. There's probably low chance of having some kind of major downturn. At the moment, the media are cherry picking certain headlines and interest rates and inflations are rising, but the bigger fundamentals, the underlying fundamentals are still quite strong. You see, for a major downturn to occur, there's going to have to be people losing jobs and being forced to sell their home and lots of mortgage stress, etc., etc. And the opposite of that is happening at the moment. We're at record unemployment rates. Unemployment's down to 3.5%, the lowest it's been in 50 years. So everyone who's looking for work has pretty much got a job at the moment. So I can't see that happening. On the other side of the equation, Rate City has just come out and said that most home buyers, the majority of home buyers, are about 3 to 4 years ahead on their home loans. So we're in a very strong position. It's unlikely we're going to see a major downturn. In reality, what we're seeing at the moment, if you're looking at the market, sure, some areas have come back 1%, maybe 2%. However, that's after a 20 or 30% gain. Isn't that just part and parcel of a normal property cycle? But what you'll start to find out is that because of the media spin and the headlines and the fear, our consumer confidence has fallen to record levels as well, probably 10 or 20 years since it's been that low. So people are uncertain, they are unsure, and they are sitting on their hands not sure what to do next. Both buyers and sellers are waiting to see how things play out. So it's a great opportunity. We're finding amazing opportunities at the moment, particularly not paying as much or having to pay as much as you were 12 months ago. And moving forward, it's probably going to come to a point where greed will get back in front of fear again, and the market will start moving and return to normal. But that's not likely going to happen until we get some certainty, until people realise interest rates aren't going to hit 10%, inflation is going to be under control, and our markets aren't going to fall 20%. Once that happens, it will be back to a normal market. So there's a small window of opportunity there. I'd suggest the next 3 to 6 months to buy without the competition and the need to pay above and beyond what a property may be worth. It's an unreal opportunity, and it's something that probably won't be happening in another 12 or 18 months from now. So it's something you should strongly consider. If you are reaching out and you're wanting to understand the current market, what's happening, please reach out. I'll be more than happy to take the time to talk about your needs, your property goals, and how we may be able to assist. Thanks for your time.